welcome to our 5th grade English lesson. Today we will do the exercises about writing page. Please open your eyes open students book page 63. 5. sınıf İngilizce dersimize hoş geldiniz. Bugün 63. Students Book kitabındaki 63. sayfadaki writing kısmındaki atıştırmaları çözeceğiz. Now, please open your Eyes Open Students Book. Eyes Open Students Book'taki 63. sayfayı açmanızı istiyorum. Okay, now we can start. Firstly, look at the photo. Look at the photo. Can you see the photo? Look at this photo. Why is the hippo sleeping in the water? Why is the hippo sleeping in the water? Read the text. Read the text and answer the question. Read the text and check your answer. Firstly, we will read this text about hippos and answer our question. A description of animals. Look at the title, a description of an animal. What does it mean, description? Do you know the meaning of description? Description means, in Turkish, tanım. Please write the meaning of the description. Description anlamı tanımlamak. Yani bir hayvanın tanımı, dış görünüş olarak tanımı demek istiyorum burada. Now we will read the writing part. Okay. All About Hippos by Sam Wilson. Hippolar hakkında her şey. Sam Wilson tarafından yazılmış demektir bu. Wild hippopotamuses live in Central Africa. They are big and fat. They have small eyes, small ears. Look at their ears, please. Small ears, small eyes, and short legs. We can see legs right now. They also have big teeth. Adult hippos. Adult means in Turkish yetişkin. Please write the meaning of adult. Adult hippos are usually 3 or 4 meter long. Yani burada ne demek diyor? Yetişkin olanlar genellikle 3 ve 4 metre uzunluğundadır demek istiyor. And they can run very fast. The hippo in this photo is sleeping in the water. You can see it is sleeping. Hippos often sleep in the water during the day. They often sleep in the water during the day because, but why? Because the water is cool. Cool means soak in this writing part. Hippos usually come out of the water at night. The hippos usually come out of the water at night and eat something. They only eat plants. Plants, what does it mean, plants? Plants means in Turkish, bitki. They can eat up to 40 kg of grass in one night. Grass, what does it mean, grass? Grass means ot, çim. And they can travel up to 10 km to find food. Hippos can be very dangerous. Dangerous? That means tehlikeli. Every year they kill hundreds of people. They kill means in Turkish öldürmek. They live Central Africa, don't forget that. Central means merkez, Africa, you know the Africa. Now, turn out the exercise 1, please. Okay. Look at the photo. Why is the hippo sleeping in the water? Why is this hippo sleeping in the water? We have learned the answer. Why hippos often sleep in the water during the day? Because the water is cool. The answer is this. The water is cool. It is sleeping in the water because the water is cool. Please write the answer under the question. Now, look at here, exercise 1 again. I will ask another thing about this reading part. Write the topics in order to they appear in text. Topics başlık demekti. Bu başlıkları reading part'taki cümlelere göre sıralamaya koyacağız. Number 1. Wild hippopotamus live in central, so where it lives. Number 2, what can it be? The writing part talk about what is it look like. Number 3, daily routine activities. And number 4, what it eats. And number 5, interesting facts about the animal. Now check your answer. This is our topic. They appear in the text. In order they appear in the text. Now I close it. Look at exercise 2, please. Copy the table, then write the information in order to appear in the text. Now you will write these information under it in correct order, then write the answer next to the then. Okay. For example, number 1 is done, where it lives, Central Africa. Number 2, what it look like. What is it look like? Look like nasıl göründüğünü sorduğu için big and fat, small eyes and ears, and short legs, big teeth, 3 or 4 meters long. Its daily activities. Günlük aktivitesi neydi? Did you remember that? Sleep in water, come out of the water at night. What it eats? Only eat plants up to 40 kg of grass in one night. And the last one, interesting facts about the animal. They can be dangerous and kill hundreds of people. Now check your answer, please. Okay, all is true. I close this page. Look at exercise 3, please. Read the description again. What information does STEM include for each category in exercise 2? Exercise 2'daki her kategoride ne yaptı, hangi bilgiler olduğunu soruyor. Biz bunu daha önceden yapmıştık. Exercise 2'yu. O yüzden sadece gösteriyorum. Big and fat, small eyes. İkincisi de bunu söylüyordu. Short legs, big teeth. 3, sleep in water, come out of water at night. 4, only eat plants up to 40 kilogram of grass in one night. 5, can be dangerous, kill hundreds of people. Useful language. Look at the useful language carefully, please. I will explain these words, these sentences. Position of adjectives. Use adjectives. Burada sıfat, adjectives dediğimiz sıfat demekti. Sıfatların pozisyonları, nerede kullanıldıklarını cümle içinde, bunlarla ilgili birkaç bilgi vermiş. Bunlara dikkat etmemiz gerektiğini söylüyor. Sorry for that. Use adjective after is or are. Ne diyor burada? Sıfatı is veya are'dan sonra kullanın. Is veya are. For example, they are big and fat. You can see are here. We use adjectives after are. Can you see that? Yes. Use adjectives before a noun. Noun means isim. Ne diyor? İsimden önce kullan. You can look at the example, please. They have small eyes. Eyes is our noun. We use noun after adjective. Can you see the adjective? Our adjective is small, small eyes. Burada Türkçe'de sıfat tamlaması olarak da söyleyebilirsiniz. İsimlerden önce sıfatı kullanırız. Now look at the exam rule 3. After very. Very, what does it mean very? Very means in Turkish çok. Çoktan sonra kullanırız. Now look at the example please. Hippos can be very dangerous. Look at the dangerous. Dangerous are adjective. Dangerous means tehlikeli. We use dangerous after very. We obey the rule. Can you see that? Very and dangerous. We have to use our adjectives after very. Don't forget these rules. Don't forget the use of the adjectives. Sıfatların kullanım yerlerinin kurallarını unutmayın. Burada açıkladım. Cümleleri Türkçe'ye de çevirdim. Lütfen bunu tekrar edin. Bunu defterinize de not edin. Now I close it. Look at exercise 4, please. Find the example of adjectives in the description in exercise 1. You will find in this text in the adjectives. For example, central. Central is an adjective. Big, adjective. Fat, adjective. Small, adjectives. Short, adjective. And long. Central, big, fat, small, short, and long are adjectives. Don't forget that. And now go on. The hippo is in the water. Sleep in the water because the water is cool. Cool. Cool is an adjective also. And it can travel up to 10 kilometers to find food. Dangerous. Can you see the dangerous? Dangerous is an adjective. Now, I close it and check our example in exercise 4, please. Central, big, fat, small, short, big, long, cool, and dangerous are adjectives in this writing part. Please write the adjectives under the question. Now look at exercise 5, please. Put the words in order to make sentences. Number 1 is done. You will put the words in order to make sentences. Karışık verilmiş kelimeleri düzgün bir cümle haline getireceksiniz. Number 1 is done. I cat, I big, a fat, a got demiş. I've got a big cat şeklinde cümleyi düzgün hale getirmiş. Diğer cümleleri de biz yapacağız. Look at number 2. Tiger, the tiger animal dangerous is a. Our subject is the tiger is a dangerous animal. We use dangerous as an adjective and before the noun, don't forget that. Dangerous is our adjective. We have to use dangerous after is and before the noun. Ne yaptık burada? Kurala uygun gitmiş olursak eğer. Sıfatımız ne? Dangerous. Dangerous sıfatını neyden sonra kullandık? Is are'dan sonra kullanıyoruz. Is veya are'dan sonra. Is veya are'dan sonra kullanmış mıyım? Evet, kullanmışım cümlede. Ve isimden. Animal ne? İsim, hayvan demek. İsimden de önce kullanmışım. Burada kurala uygun bir şekilde sıfatımı kullanmışım. Number three, sorry. The elephant has got big ears. The elephant has got big ears. We use big is our adjective. We use big before the noun. And number 4, look at number 4, please. Gorillas are very strong. Look at the example. Our adjective is strong. Strong means güçlü. We use strong after very, very. Can you see that? And after are. Okay, look at the exercise 5, the last exercise. Giraffes are brown and orange. Orange and brown. Okay, giraffes are brown and orange. Brown and orange are adjectives, so we have to use the adjectives after are. Can you see that? After are. Now check your answer, please. Okay, I close the page. Hipotenüs su aygır demektir. Bunu unutmayın. Our lesson has finished. Please repeat the unknown words in this page. Write the unknown words in this page in your notebook and repeat them again and again. And please repeat these rules, position of adjectives, and write in your notebook. Bugünlük dersimiz burada sonlanmıştır. Buradaki kelimeleri tekrar etmenizi istiyorum. Bir kişiyi tanımlarken kullandığımız sıfatları iyice öğrenmenizi istiyorum tekrar edip. Ve buradaki useful language kısmında öğrendiğimiz kural, yani adjectives'ler, sıfatları nerelerde kullanırızı öğrendiğimiz kuralları defterinize yazmanızı istiyorum açıklamalarıyla birlikte. Thank you for listening to me. See you our next lesson.